What are we building today?
We're building a Robot T toy at 6 ages to 12.
Wow, and I like it because this is from Smart Steam Robots and it comes with different kind of buildings that you can do with the same pieces.
I'm gonna go with the race car.
Okay, it comes with 136 pieces and it has like a little motor. So we'll need some batteries that are not included with these, but we're very excited to build it.
Yeah.
And let's see what is inside. This is the little motor. You see, we'll need batteries inside so you can turn it in and off.
Let's see
But something that I'm really interested in is that I want to see. Okay, so these are the instructions. It comes with 2 bags. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, find the one that you want to build. Okay, so we got the AA batteries. It's very easy to open. You just like slide and it comes right out. You don't need any screwdrivers or anything.
Yeah.
Just put it in and then you slide it back in and it's good to go.
Yeah, let me try.
You want to try? Okay. So now we're going to start opening everything to start building it together. We choose the race car. So while building it, we figured out that if you don't know how many or how long it is, here it shows you the number of how long is that piece. So for example, this one is 8, so you can count them and then you can see if you're picking like a small piece or a big piece, counting the little round spheres. Okay, so that is very, very helpful.
We finished. We're almost completed finishing our car.
Our car, right? Where are we missing?
We're missing the wheels.
Okay, so let's build the wheels.
Hey guys, we're almost finished with my race car. We just only needed 2 more wheels.
Good job. Perfect. Are you ready to test it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's put it like this. And now you turn it on.
Amazing toy. Get yours today.